All right, package in, package in. I just ripped that guy open because I couldn't wait to see these. One of my best cops of the year. Get it out. It's hard to do one-handed. Woo! Seen videos on them. Fine Line showed me pictures on them. Shout out to Fine Line 1721. Sir. Whew. You see the pink box? Said they had a kind of material on it. It is like a shimmer. The box is 3M also. You guys are interested. These are the Jordan 5 medium pink or soft pinks. Fire. Label reads. Lift that box up. You know you got to lift the box up on these 5. Label reads. Air Jordan 5 Retro OG. White, medium soft pink, black. Size 13, your boy. Let's see. So inside the box you got numbers on the box right there. And you got the other numbers right there. Code. You got the green sticker. You know they're legit when they come from Fine Line. Come individually wrapped. There's your spacer. Let's look at it real quick. Yeah, these go hard, bro. Look at that Nike Air on the ass. That pink. These are stupid. Woo! Stupid fire, bro. That white and that pink. I had to have them. Now, I know a lot of y'all out there ain't gonna believe me, but I think this silhouette of the pink, the very little hints of pink, is better than the Awake 5. That's just my opinion, and I like it more with the classic. I'm more of a classic. I'm OG, so more of a classic look, but the slight hints of pink, fire. You feel me? You ain't got to worry about no big A on the side. I don't really too much like that. And plus, this whole upper is 3M, so it's got a leather material that's covered with that shimmer that turns 3M like the box. And fire, bro. Smell test. Woo. Fire. So yeah, definitely one of the dopest pickers of the year. Make sure if y'all want them, go get them. Shout out to Fine Line 1721 again, man. Been knowing you a long time. Yep. Fire. Sneaker editions. King Cudi. Out.